धर्म के जो रीति रिवाज है मैं वो नहीं करूंगा, इसके बारे में है। उसके बाद में बौद्ध धर्माचा स्वीकार, बौद्ध धर्म पालन प्रतिज्ञा, उसके बाद में विशुद्धि मार्ग प्रतिज्ञा। विशुद्धि मार्ग प्रतिज्ञा यानी पंचशील। वो 22 वोज में आप देखिए कि पंचशील की प्रतिज्ञाएं हैं। उसके बाद में अष्टांग मार्ग प्रतिज्ञा और उसके बाद में सदाचार मार्ग प्रतिज्ञा। ये जो एक्सट्रैक्ट लाने की वजह थी या ये जो बाबा साहेब की स्पीचेस थे, ये बताने के पीछे एक ही वजह है कि 22 वोज जो थे उस वक्त बाबा साहब ने जो धम्म दीक्षा दी, उसका इम्पोर्टेंस उस वक्त जितना था आज भी उतना है, फ्यूचर में भी उतना ही रहेगा। अगर हम बोलते हैं कि हम लोग आम्बेडकराइट बुद्धिस्ट है या हम लोग बुद्ध धर्म का पालन कर रहे हैं, तो 22 वोज लिए बिना या उसको फॉलो किए बिना बौद्ध धर्म भारत में टिक नहीं सकता। ये बाबा साहब को अच्छे से पता था और इसीलिए उन्होंने ये सूत्रावली बनाई। तो वो जो 22 वोज है वो हमारे लिए काफी इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो 22 वोज को हम लोग एक बार रिमेंबर करेंगे और उसके लिए मैं वलय जी को स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहता हूँ। वलय जी आप प्लीज स्टेज पे आइए और 22 वोज।
Thank you, Virji. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. I will read and you will say after me, please. I shall have no faith in Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh.
I shall have no faith in Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh,
Nor shall I worship them.
or shall I worship them.
I shall have no faith in Rama and Krishna,
I shall have no faith in Brahma and Krishna,
who are believed to be incarnation of God.
who are believed to be incarnation of God.
Nor shall I worship them.
Nor shall I worship them.
I shall have no faith in Gaura and Ganpati
I shall have no faith in Gauri and Ganpati
and other gods and goddesses
and goddesses,
of Hindus, or nor shall I worship them.
or shall I worship them.
I do not believe in I do not have belief in incarnation of God.
I do not have belief in incarnation of God.
I do not and shall not believe in that Lord Buddha was incarnation of Vishnu.
I do not and shall not believe that Lord Buddha was incarnation of Vishnu.
I believe this to be sheer madness and false propaganda.
I believe this to be sheer madness and false propaganda.
I shall not perform Shraddha, nor shall I give Pindadana.
I shall not perform Shraddha or
I shall not act in a manner violating the principles and teachings of Buddha.
I shall not
act in a manner of violating the principles of Buddha.
I shall not allow any ceremonies to be performed by Brahmins.
I shall not
allow
allow any ceremonies
to be performed by Brahmins.
I shall believe in equality of man.
I shall believe in equality of man.
I shall endeavor to establish equality.
I shall
endeavor
believe.
to establish equality.
I shall follow the noble eightfold path of Buddha.
I
shall
shall follow the noble
Path of Buddha.
I shall follow the paramitas prescribed by Buddha.
I
I shall follow the paramitas for Buddha.
I shall have compassion and loving kindness
I shall have compassion and loving and kindness
for all living beings and protect them.
for all living beings and protect them.
I shall not steal.
I shall not steal.
I shall not tell lies.
I shall not tell lies.
I shall not commit carnal sins.
I shall not commit carnal sins.
I shall not take intoxicants like liquor and drugs.
I shall not
take intoxicants like liquor and drugs.
I shall endeavor to follow the noble eightfold path
I shall
endeavor to
follow the eightfold path
and practice compassion
and practice compassion
and loving kindness in everyday life.
and loving
kindness in everyday life.
I renounce Hinduism,
I renounce Hinduism,
which is harmful for humanity
which is harmful for humanity,
and impedes the advancement
peace the advancement
and development of humanity,
and development of humanity,
because it is based on inequality.
because it is based on inequality.
I adopt Buddhism as my religion.
I adopt Buddhism as my religion.
I firmly believe
I firmly believe
the Buddha of the Dhamma of the Buddha is the only true religion.
now the true religion.
I believe that I am having a rebirth.
I believe that I am having a rebirth.
I solemnly declare
I solemnly declare
and affirm that
and affirm that
I shall hereafter
I shall hereafter
lead my life according
lead my life according
to the principles and teachings
to the principles and teachings
of Buddha and his Dhamma.
of Buddha and his Dhamma.
Thank you very much.